In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own letterhead in Google Docs using a straightforward step-by-step process. This is perfect if you're looking to enhance your documents with a professional and consistent appearance. Whether it's for business, personal projects, or anything in between, this guide will help you set up your letterhead in no time. To start, let's head over to Google Docs. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to docs.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. You'll be greeted with a choice. You can either open an existing document if you have something you'd like to work with, or click on the plus sign to start fresh with a new blank document. Whichever option you choose, we'll be adding a letterhead to truly make it stand out. Next, focus your attention on the top menu of your Google document. You're going to click on Insert, then scroll down to Headers and Footers, and click Header. This action creates a new area at the top of your page specifically for your header content. It's usually slightly shaded, so you know exactly where you'll be working. Now, it's time to bring in your letterhead image. While remaining in the header section, go back to the Insert menu and select Image. Here you have a few different options for sourcing your image. If your letterhead is saved locally on your computer, you can upload it directly from there. If it's stored in your Google Drive, you can easily pull it in from there. You can even insert it by URL if it's hosted online. Once you've selected your letterhead image, whether it's a company logo, a branded design, or whatever you prefer, it will appear in the header section ready for adjustment. Now let's make sure it looks perfect. Click on your image and in the toolbar that appears, select Image Options. Alternatively, you can right-click on the image to bring up this menu. Under the size and rotation settings, tweak the width and height so that the letterhead fits neatly across the top of your page. You may also need to consider how your text interacts with this image. Under text wrapping, choose either wrap text or break text based on your design needs. Finally, adjust the position by clicking and dragging the image within the header area until it's just right. By default, Google Docs will apply this header to all pages within your document, but if your design requires the letterhead only on the first page, simply navigate to Format and click on Headers and Footers and check the box labeled Different First Page. To make all of this hard work reusable, you'll want to save your setup as a template. Go to File, then choose Make a Copy. Give it a clear name like Letterhead Template 2025. So you can quickly find it whenever you need to create a new document with your new letterhead. And there you have it. You've now created a stylish, customizable letterhead template in Google Docs. This will help you maintain consistency and professionalism across all your documents. Thank you for watching and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.